these two colleagues of mine, from what they are saying, you need to reflect, Oscar, to the speakership race of the 11th Parliament, because that's where it started. And this is going to continue to this particular Parliament. That race left sour taste in some camp, and that has continued. It went to the SEC, and from what Chris is talking about, you can clearly see that he's carrying over the SEC problems now to the speakership race, and many of them. Let me give you an example. When the party organs sat, they decided on the name, I think, of Rebecca, of the late Jacob Olanya as the speaker. And there was a rebellion. I am not so sure whether these two in the House currently were not on the other side, but most likely they were on the side of the rebellion. and they carried it over. No, on the side of the rebellion. And even now, they are still on the side of the rebellion.
And therefore, I am the official spokesperson of the government of Uganda. And I consult widely before I issue statements, because, like the Honorable Katuntu said, we have the Uganda Media Center, but also all departments of government have spokespersons. But I coordinate their work.
And UCC?
And the Media Center is functioning. It has staff, technical people. Like the other day when I issued a statement, I didn't author it myself. It's authored by my team at the Uganda Media Center. I look through it, edit it, and then issue it. So it's so that I just wake up and just start talking anyhow. And like these issues of security, I consult widely with the army, with the police, with the CMI, ISFO, intelligence. So by the time I issue a statement, it's not a personal opinion or a statement. Even at times where necessary, I consult the president for clearance of some of the information that I issue. So I am not as reckless as people may think, that I just wake up and I want a camera and microphone and just talk anyhow, because you are communicating not only to Ugandans but the whole world.
Yeah. Let us look at the last elections when the president was being nominated as a sole presidential candidate. There was even a candidate.
But there was no form.
There was one nomination form.
Yeah. Yes, there was only one.
Only
so
one.
Please. And please, Chris and Lydia, when you are talking
they were
to
implementing the resolution of 2021.
Exactly. But you take us to be fools. You take us to be fools. Please stop it. Ugandans have been watching what has been unfolding for a long time. So, this is the president you've said, and it is catching up with you. Only that now you have personal interest. Now you are running waving rules all over the place. You see, once you've already set the rules for the sole presidential candidate, and that party organs can set the standards and the decision, and all members are supposed to obey what the party organs. Please sleep in that bed, you've laid it. Please. So these ramblings of yours are ending here. And you can do public relations. And by the way, I think the president is aware that he doesn't want what I think they went through last time. Because the party was really divided with very, very reckless ambitions. Even those who can't manage, they're also coming up. They want to be speakers and so on.
Regarding the CDF does not speak for the government of Uganda, but he likes Twitter communication, and he writes tweets. At times I do not read them, then shortly he deletes them, and I'm sure Ugandans have formed an opinion on his tweets, and I don't think, other than purposes of politicking, I don't think they take them as the official position from the government of Uganda. Like when he said, I am going to hang Dr. Besigye by June 6th. Did he hang him? Did Ugandans believe that actually Besigye was alive before hanging?
More or less.
No. So I think many right-thinking Ugandans, save for the politics and what, they just know he likes tweeting. At times he tweets and he deletes and so forth. And I have been, for the record, saying those as a government spokesperson, I treat them as casual comments he makes on social media through Twitter. I have discussed this issue with the appointing authority, with the president. Admittedly, his tweets make my work a little bit difficult.